Why you cut the teeth them so?
I me pussy.
What kind of pussy?
You want to taste like fish.
Alright, so if one girl give you a blow job now, if one girl suck your hood now.
Me.
I'm not being shot them something.
No, me say if she do
But
it,
you
that's
can't do it with me. That's what I'm saying
so
to
if she
you.
do it to you nastiness that.
Then you must dirty.
Oh, that for dirty. The enjoyment you get.
In hell! What enjoyment? Wrong with you, man. Right here, man. In hell.
Chappy, where are you them there?
Yeah, food me alone.
So much food your dog I eat.
We tell me grow now to this now, Mike. We think that dog man wanna get this blood clot. It have a share. Think that dog man want to live. Me have to live too.
Fuck them.
I want them bad.
Think hungry dog I get food. Bye.
Why you cut the teeth them so?
I me pussy.
What kind of pussy?
You want to taste like fish.
Tell me first time you suck pussy and taste.
Yo, my youth, me ain't used to suck pussy, you know. Me and the wrong girl, me baby mother, or
Cut
my
the story
wife.
short, quick.
Indian opal. 6 months you sucky cocky. And I said, Flex, you have to suck some of my pussy. And I said, no, I don't deal with that. And one night, me going drunk, I receive the skin out the pussy, because she be up, you know, get it ready in the eating condition, you know. Yo, you see what make it first wife? Me say Wolfal, me stomach and sick. He do so. He na me head back and say Flex. Just keep on licking. You so get the flavor. The pussy class. He butter vanilla. He butter vanilla. He butter vanilla.
Where's the charger?
He butter vanilla. He butter cinnamon. He lost all the flavor there.
Walk here?
Yeah. Boy, dash add soup.
Triple guy, triple.
Slap across the face with my machine. No. As in N-O-W. No, me beat out the face with my machine.
700 on the top of the screen now.
One more. Boy, dash add soup.
Top of the screen,
Not
chat.
my place.
700 of you guys. Top of the
I see your
screen.
bum buckler, bribe. People get a picnic from your boy, one dash blood clot add soup on me.
They can't get picnic.
Boy.
They can't get picnic.
Boy.
Now you see a sperm count low, so why you go get picnic?
Boy, dash
Why you
add
go
soup.
get picnic?
Boy, dash add
Why you go
soup.
get picnic?
Yeah, bum buckler mule.
Who are mule?
You can't
Who are
breathe.
mule?
One more.
Why you flex? Why you with the best self in the water?
Hot over your hot.
Yeah, man.
Over your hot.
Breathe long time.
Chat,
I want to treat that them. They treat that them rub off.
No, come on, I'm a cheat tattoo and put that with my woman name. Chat, they're gonna want rose the chat.
How you feel like, say?
Chat one rose.
How you feel like, bother with that, man?
I have flex. If somebody tell us their sperm count low, how they go get children? He saying go a doctor and the doctor tell him say his sperm count low.
Ziggy, I hear me, Ziggy.
What do you tell me?
Ziggy. I gotta take some pill, bro, and can't see right.
Chat,
Only to breathe.
please.
Only to breathe. Ziggy, I gotta take one pill where
Chat,
literally making can't pregnant.
so, Brittany, so, Prudence, so you want to have a baby for so that's your problem,
No,
child.
but me and him talk and in bed he tell me say one time he got a doctor and the doctor saying sperm count low and say not eat no right food.
As he fuck me, I
That
fuck
he
him
tell
now.
me.
He come like me, I
So
fuck him in a condom.
how you expect to get
He come like a condom, me, I fuck him in
children?
a right now.
So why
Right now,
wanna
let
start
me
sex
fuck
back?
him.
No man catches a rascal. No me. Me no live on up no man. Me work money put enough for me rascal pocket and I me work put enough for you. When me ready me I forget for me murder to ras I coverage me name. See the big insurance rascal at one cup of Trafalgar Road there. I me have to work money put in there. Commercial and it. Right across the world I me. See big Trafalgar, bank up at Trafalgar Road there, and me run that Ross hole and all the rest of bank on the piece of the earth. And business. So who, the trouble where two sides come per murder and make so much time. See me spend night and day and rectify it, yeah. So the trouble where them hyena today is nearer and nearer today to Rascal, because you can there and a little bit later, you know there.
What happened to them?
But they are the fucking wild.
What happened to them?
Well, alright, you soon.
A full time for you stop threatening people now, you know.
Me now have to tell no one nothing. Well, if I threat, you will see. And if I seriousness, you will rest that sister no joke. No joke, man, joke in a life.
Come on, you will
see this where Matthew
help me
can
with it, help me with it.
See this is where Matthew can do ya. Call along at the bank and ask so much money me for collect. And you can tell them, and I saw them want to live. And them away, then call me for rectify to human being. Whoever where she there, whoever right you and true, call down at the bank today, Thursday, tomorrow Friday. Call down at the bank right now, make them tell you how much money me forget off of the house, yeah.
Are you belows?
What? Call down there.
I feel also if you money.
How many enough?
I feel.
Then if I know enough for me with the rascal to bill.
Tap walk and one people thing.
Oh, people?
Yes.
People no want nothing on the face of the earth. People are not human beings. People are demons. We have to put on hellfire. We have put on hellfire right now as I speak. So if you don't look on it, good. You would have seen what go on. Oh. Sit and stand bam down at the Ras Bank. They call down there. I work a station, I work a bank. And for me, all of the law court, them law office from downtown come straight up. Camp, station, everywhere, bank, everywhere, call there. Which since as you on is a Ras.
I'm married ready with some money, but I always like your things.
What if you run fear?
I always like your things, you know. Are you going to with me?
Something them I go down a hellfire. Always I make me things them I go down a hellfire. I'm from me create this world, not the hellfire. See one of the all who have life for me. She's them strong, not strong up here, so the little bit when me I eat and drink them I suck out. But when you say Ras have a trouble too, cause you not spend my money every day. She's see all listen to them strong there. I down there so. Not strong up here so. What work? That's why I'm a one work on the feast of the earth. I thief you all the rest. I thief me. You don't see it? We do a spend. See where all I ask that something that strong there. See that?
Manuel, if you help me with something, help me with it. And stop going so. I always give you things and I give you food and all that thing.
That's how you give me, man.
You can't help me?
Check on it. Don't want me to walk call on a bank. Call on
so a bank. So Manuel?
Call down there because you have you sitting on your fucking hand.
Me not give you nothing.
Run it out.
You know say I'm ungrateful?
And me.
So me not give you nothing.
Will you give me, Lord?
Me not always give you things and I give you food and
me say.
Man, I'm
find out from me your tax or something ya your mama. Amen anymore. Find out from them who give. If you give me a
I'm me give you.
I'm me rascal give you. What you give me? A foolishness.
Also,
foolishness for my money, man.
Also, food a foolishness.
I'm mind you, I'm accommodate you.
Food a foolishness.
Food.
Me always give food and like take care of you and give things and give you money.
I'm a creator woman and not a rascal woman not take care of me. None.
Manuel, I'm grateful, you see?
Yeah.